because an empty or just coming forth and saying, okay, I acknowledge that the atrocity of slavery is a crime against humanity, check. I apologize, check. Here is 250 million, check, and we're done. That definitely cannot be the case. And I have been reassured that that will not be the case. But I must say, as a country, we must wait to see and hear what the content of said statements and or apology will be, and be given the room and space to properly analyze such before an answer will be given. Any type of answer will be given. So it will not be the intention of St. Martin to, on the spot, be accepting or denying the apology. So I hope that that makes it clear in terms of St. Martin. There are several questions that we still have, which will be sent in writing to the government of St. Martin, of the Netherlands, to respond in writing. And I am also encouraged by, even though I haven't read the details of it, the press statement I saw today that the king is also doing an investigation as to the monarch's involvement, so to speak. Because that question has also been asking. The Prime Minister is intending to apologize despite having made statements to the contrary just last year. We know their stance on decolonization as well. So it will be very interesting indeed, because we are to move forward in this kingdom. A lot of information and awareness need to be brought to the people of St. Martin, to the people of the kingdom in general, and then the dialogue has to start as to what will this apology mean for the countries, because an apology in and of itself would not be deemed worthy of what has taken place and what we are still dealing with today. Point in fact that I have mentioned to the State Secretary, not only in writing, but also in our meetings that we held here, most recently the 21st of November, and last week when I saw her face to face, is that the 12.5% and other cost-cutting measures cannot remain on the table at the same time that an apology is being granted. So I'm looking forward to that being also addressed prior to any statements being made, as that will form part and parcel of our opinion on what this apology or statement from the Dutch government in this regard will mean. Because yes, it is good to apologize for the wrong, but that apology must come with more.